In this video, I'm gonna tell you all about interior cleaning and detailing, fast and efficient. So let's open up the door. What do we see here? Shiny armrests. Shine often means skin grease. The same goes for the steering wheel. And look at all these dust. Look at the floor mats. See the seats? The same, it also feels a little bit slippery. You see the same kind of skin grease everywhere. Dust here, dust here, dust here. And also look on top of the dashboard. Here somebody has been playing in the garden, I think. A lot of sand on the floor mats, but we see not so much skin grease here. So I think this car is mostly driven alone, only by the driver. So yeah, let's do a proper cleaning. Tape it off so we can make a good before and after. For the cleaning, we're gonna use the Decon CIA, which means the Complete Interior All Cleaner. You can also use it on leather seats, steering wheels, dashboard, door panels, and many more surfaces that we will encounter with this interior cleaning job, as well as the Decon scrubbing pad. And what we're gonna do is, the cycle is, we're gonna clean with the cleaner and the scrubbing pad. Then got a bucket with a mid-slide here and clean warm water. This is filthy. I will scrub it over the mid-slide, wring it out, and make sure it's clean again for the next section. First of all, make sure your Decon scrubbing sponge is wet and worn out and clean. Then we're gonna spray the CIA cleaner on the white side of the scrubbing pad. I'm gonna divide it over the surface, and then we're gonna give it a thorough scrubbing on all parts that we can touch. That was white. So now it's dirty. I'm gonna give it a good scrub over the mid-slide in the bucket. Wring it out, and now it's clean again. Since it was quite dirty, it's already less. Now let's wipe away the residue. That's dirty. So let's take a look at the headrest. Small surface, so not so super dirty. So I'm excited to see the end results. I hope you are too. So the results are quite clear, I think. And now we proceed with the other half of the seat. Cool thing with the CIA is it's just one easy product, ready to use, which you can use for a lot of areas. Yeah. See to the end. I'll watch the next video. Don't know how Max will edit it to see how we fix this one up with the Leather Experts steering wheel repair kit for black steering wheels. So let's now focus first on the cleaning. Okay. Wow. Armrest 2. Brush is not black, that's filth. But here, take a look at how dirty the water is. So, So that was interior cleaning made easy with Decon's CIA Clean Interior All. Used it on leather parts, used it on plastic parts, used it on fabric parts, used it on glass. So 4 applications for cleaning and detailing the interior of your car. If you have a fabric interior, then click on the pop-up banner and check out that video how to clean your fabric interior to the best.